The cheap option is the most expensive. Billionaires spend more upfront to avoid replacing things forever. Here's the math. Hey, welcome back to lIHITRO Bank. My name is Adam. You know what separates wealthy people from everyone else when they walk into a store? They don't look at the price tag first. They look at how long something will last. And this mindset is making them richer, while most of us are getting poorer buying the same cheap stuff over and over again. There's a saying in the business world called buy once, cry once. It means you might feel the pain when you pay premium prices up front, but you'll never feel that pain again because you bought something that actually lasts. Meanwhile, most people are crying every single year when they have to replace the same item again and again. Let me break down the real math for you because this will blow your mind. Say you're buying a sofa. You can get a cheap one for $300 or a quality one for $1,200. Most people see that $1,200 price tag and immediately think, no way, that's too expensive. But here's what actually happens. That cheap $300 sofa starts falling apart in about 3 years. The cushion sag, the fabric tears, and before you know it, you're shopping for another couch. Over 15 years, you'll buy that same cheap sofa 5 times. 5 times 300 equals $1,500. You just spent more money on garbage furniture than the person who bought quality once. And it's not just about money. Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in history, said something brilliant. Price is what you pay, but value is what you get. He's talking about looking past that sticker shock and understanding what you're actually receiving for your money. A quality mattress might cost $1,500, but if it gives you better sleep for 12 years versus a $400 one that sags, in 3 years you're getting massive value. Better sleep means better health, better productivity, and honestly a better life. Here's what wealthy people understand that most don't. Time is money. Every time you have to research a new product, order it, wait for delivery, set it up, or return something that broke, that's your time being wasted. Rich people would rather pay more once and never think about it again. They're not being fancy, they're being efficient. Think about shoes for a second. You can buy $20 sneakers that fall apart in 6 months, or you can invest in a $150 pair that lasts for years. The cheap shoes seem like a deal until you realize you're buying new shoes, constantly dealing with blisters from poor quality and looking unprofessional. Quality shoes mold to your feet, support your health, and actually save you money over time. This philosophy works everywhere in your life. Mattresses, because you spend a third of your life sleeping. Kitchen tools, because a good knife or pan lasts decades. Technology, because a reliable laptop beats a cheap one that freezes constantly. Professional services, because hiring the right person once beats hiring the wrong person 3 times. But here's the trap. Not everything expensive is quality. You need to know the difference. Read reviews, check warranties, look at materials. A $1,200 designer bag, the logo, isn't the same as a $1,200 leather bag built to last 30 years. Rich people aren't buying logos, they're buying longevity. The hidden costs of cheap are insane. Repairs that cost almost as much as buying new. Replacements that drain your bank account. The stress of dealing with broken stuff. The time wasted shopping again and again. Add it all up, and cheap becomes the most expensive option you could possibly choose. So here's my challenge to you. Next time you need to buy something important, pause before you grab the cheapest option. Ask yourself, how long will this last? Will I need to replace it soon? What's the real cost over 5 or 10 years? That mindset shift is what separates people who build wealth from people who stay broke buying the same junk forever. If this changed how you think about spending, hit that subscribe button because we're breaking down wealth building strategies that actually work. Drop a comment and tell me what's one thing you're going to start buying quality instead of cheap. I'll see you in the next one where we talk about why rich people love boring investments.